How to wash your wig at home. Let's hop right into it. So you're going to start off with our wide tooth comb, and you're going to comb through the wig to make sure there's no tangles or snags. Notice how I'm holding the wig. I'm holding the entire lace portion and even some of the fabric in the back to ensure that I do not rip the lace. Then I'm going to drench the wig completely. You want to drench it so that you get a really good lather when you start shampooing. We recommend to do the shampoo process twice, 3 times if the wig is heavily soiled, and then you want to follow up with your conditioner. Notice that I'm washing the wig in a downward motion. That's to prevent any tangles and to make sure the hair is flowing all in one direction. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to apply a conditioner, and to make sure that the conditioner penetrates every strand of hair, I'm going to once again use that wide tooth comb and comb the product fully through. After rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going to repeat the conditioning process with a deep hydrating mask, and that's what's going to give the wig the super silky, super luxurious feel, except for this time I'm going to leave the conditioning mask on the wig for 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag to let the product fully penetrate into the wig. After the time is up, I'm going to fully rinse out the hydrating mask. Make sure you rinse this out completely. Otherwise, your wig is going to be sticky. It's not going to have body. It's not going to have flow. So fully rinse this out, and then you're going to hang the wig to dry. Thanks for watching.